Hi, Siobhan O'Sullivan here in Real-Time Real Estate, and today it's Thursday, so it's time for some tips and tricks. And what I really want to talk about today is virtual staging. Most of you are familiar with the concept of staging a home to prepare it for the market, to enhance the look of it, make it more universally appealing. Well, because of the shelter-in-place ordinance, right now our work as realtors working with sellers is very restricted. It's actually not legal right now to stage a home, a vacant home. So we all like to enhance our listings to give it the best shot to get the best possible price. But if we're not allowed to do it, what else can we do? So along comes a fabulous new technology which allows us to stage a home virtually. This is really exciting. Let's show you some images and give you an idea of what exactly this means. Virtual staging can really help. It's an amazing way to see how a home can look furnished. It's anti-intuitive, but empty rooms you'd think should look bigger, but they actually look smaller. So when you have a few pieces of carefully chosen furnishings and some accent pieces, some color pop, it really does do an enormous amount to make the home look more covetable, more cozy, more livable. It's been proven financially to get sellers a higher price to have the home staged. So what do we do if we can't stage it? We're not allowed to stage it. It's not legal. So we turn to virtual staging. The house will still be empty when buyers walk into it, but at the very least, the first impressions when buyers hear about the home and they visit the home electronically, because 98% of our buyers start their home search online, they'll be seeing the homes as if they are fully furnished. So that will help with first impressions for sure. Let me know what you think, and if you have any tips and tricks that you might want to share, might want me to share on this platform, please let me know about those. And the most important thing is that you stay safe, that you stay well, and you keep your social distance.